Hello kids. Today we are going to learn farm animals name. Let's start. COW cow. HORSE horse. SHEEP sheep. GOAT goat. BIRD bird. RABBIT rabbit. BEE bee. BULL bull. YAK yak. DOG dog. ALPACA alpaca. CHICKEN chicken. PIG pig. CAT cat. LLAMA llama. CAMEL camel. DUCK duck. GOOSE goose. DONKEY donkey. DEER deer.